right, so I want to show you how this goes together with this collar. So if you look, you're going to see that this collar here has these little like edges here that it can slip into on both sides. So what I did was I took first, I got one side on like this. You see? I got the one side right there. See how it's cooked in? Then I came over on this side, see how it's sticking out? And I just grabbed it and squeezed it as hard as I could. But you see it doesn't want to go, right? There, I got that one. And I got that one. All right, so I got it in there. All right, now that's how that hooks on there. All right? That was tough, man. That did not want to come on. Now to get it off, that's the hard part. But if you do it, you can get it off. So you can leave this on, right? I mean, I took it off in one of the other explanations, but I'm going to leave it on in this one. So here we are. We've got this. We want to get it on here, but we want to make sure that we get it the right way. So if we're putting it in the window this way, with this side facing out, I've got a ledge, or a ledge that it would hit. So I want to put it like this. So I'm going to slide this right there like that. See how I've slid it right there? And then I'm going to get on this side here. You see how it's pushing? I'm going to grab it. I'm going to squeeze it. I'm going to pop it in. Bam. And now it's hooked up. It's ready to go. And it's got the critter thing to keep the critters out. Okay? So that's how you want to put it in the window. Now, this part right here is your other side. And if you notice, it's got a whole bunch of holes. So that makes it adjustable for the window. So what you do is you slip it in like this, and it slides, right? And when you get it where you need it, you've got a little pin here that you can put in there, like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this pin, putting the pin right there. And that kind of keeps it from moving. Now I can set it in the window, and I'm ready to go. Bam, done. All right, let's take that out for a second. I'm going to pull this off here. Now I want to show you how this works. All right, so if you look, this has little arrows on it, right? And it's got this little channel on here. All right, so if you look in here, you're going to see that there's these little catches that run in that channel. There's one here, there's one here, there's one here. And those are right at where the arrow is. So if I take this like this, right? And I match up the two arrows together, like this, you see that? And then I twist it, it's on there, it's connected. So when I put it in the window, it's going to be like this, just like that. And then this is accordions out, right? So you've got some distance that you can go to the AC. And you can collapse it, just like an accordion, right? So there you go. Now you're ready to go here. Now to get this off, if I wanted to get this off of here, all I do is I turn it to that little thing and then it just pops off. You see? So take a look. See that? See down there? So we're going to go ahead and put it on there like that. And I'm going to twist it. And it's right now. It's ready to go. Now I'm ready to put it right in the window. So now I take this slider here, and I could set this right here on the couch. I'll show it to you. So there you go. Now you're set up on that. Okay, I'm going to save that right there. But now, if I wanted to, I could go like this. Pop this off, right? Bring it over, and we're going to put it right on here. So take a look. We've got the same situation right here. We just match it up, and we twist it. Okay, so now this is the piece that's on the back of the unit. So I do the same thing with this. I match it up right here, right? And then I just twist it. Bam. And now I can just go ahead and slide this on the unit itself. And we're ready to go, right? So let's set that down. So take a look at that. So here we are, right? That's that. And this goes right on the unit right over here. So let's just go, let's bring it over, man. Let's just set it up. Flip this baby this way, so it's facing the window. Now we just got to fit that in the window, right? So let's go ahead and grab our one little piece here. Let's grab the whole thing, man. Bam, we got it. Okay. I'm gonna bring her over, and I'm just gonna set it down right here. Cha-ching. All right, now, what we've got to do is we got to fit that in that window, don't we? All right, so here's our piece. Yep, and so if I just take this, bring it up, slide it down in there, that's on there. That's ready to go, right? Now we just got to get this in the window. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, we got to open up the window. Cha-ching. Got the window open, right? Just going to lift this up, and I'm going to pull it until I get it in here, like that. Yeah, check it out. Need a little bit more, maybe. Pull it a little bit more. All right, then we're going to get our little thing in there. I guess I got to put it in this way. Yeah, like that. All right, look at us. We're in. Okay, not bad, huh? All right, so let's do some insulation, huh? If you want, you can. Put that there. Put this here, and what I'm going to do is just fold it. And then you just bring this down. And I want to pull it back a little bit to get it a little tighter. And I can do that by just, there we go. Now we're in there. See that? So let's check it out. There we are, bam. Installation, no problem. So here's our two little thingamabobbies there, and we're ready to go.